Não.
E aí, tudo bem? Ulisses Carvalho do Tecla SAP. Como você pronuncia o nome dessa marca?
But it's gotta be deep and it's gotta be thick. It's gotta be Domino's.
Todos os vídeos de exemplo aqui no Tecla SAP são legendados em inglês e em português. Para ativar as legendas, leia as instruções na descrição.
Domino's wasn't actually founded by anyone with Italian heritage. In 1960, Tom and Jim Monahan, two Irish-American brothers, borrowed $900 to buy a pizzeria called Dominic's. Within months, Jim gave up his half of the business to Tom in exchange for a Volkswagen Beetle, the same car that they were using for deliveries. The company was now all Tom's. He changed the name from Dominic's to Domino's.
Get 30-day access to stream thousands of movies for free on Epix Now with any online order from Domino's.
The culture at Domino's is amazing. It's just so fun to be part of this company.
We do the carrying out for you, contact-free, while you conveniently stay in your car.
Thank you.
Just pull up at the store, check in online, and we bring your food to you. Try Domino's Carside Delivery next time you carry out 3-topping pizzas for $7.99 each.
Domino's Pizza is a brand in the forefront of innovation for over a half-century.
When it comes to online transactions for ordering your meal, Domino's is the best, period.
All right, fingers on buzzers. 3 questions to start. How many dots are there on the Domino's Pizza logo? Ines?
6?
No. Handing that over? 4. 3. So 1 or 2.
In 2015, Domino's announced emoji ordering. Just tweet them a pizza emoji and your order is on the way.
You look at how you can order Domino's Pizza now, and it's crazy. You can use their website, you can use their app, you can use Facebook Messenger, you can tweet, you can even use Amazon Alexa-enabled devices to order your pizza.
Entre falantes de português, você continua falando o nome da marca como sempre ouviu e falou, não tem problema nenhum. Entre pessoas que só falam inglês, aí sim você capricha e fala do jeito que os nativos estão acostumados a ouvir. Você facilita a comunicação, só isso.
When you carry out, some things are out of your control. But with Domino's new carry-out insurance, we'll replace your pizza if it gets ruined after you leave the store. Carry out large 3-topping pizzas for $7.99 every day.
Clique aqui no link para ver os outros vídeos da playlist. Tem alguma sugestão de marca para entrar para a lista? Mande pra gente aqui nos comentários. A gente se fala. Um abração. Tchau, tchau. Valeu.
With Domino's carry-out insurance, we'll replace your order for free if anything happens to it on the way home, even if it's not your fault. Like if it's whoever that guy's chasing's fault. Or if it's man's best friend's fault. Or if it's mom's fault for texting way too much.
I'm okay.
Or if it is, ultimately, your fault. Carry out Domino's large 3-topping pizzas for $7.99 each. And if your pizza gets ruined, just bring it back and we'll remake it for free.